Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today's the day that we're going to do the final details on the garage heater install. I think the first thing I'm going to do is cover up the electric boxes. Both of them are missing the cover right now. Then I can go and trim off the zip ties that are holding the thermostat wire. And I believe that's it for back there. Then I can get this thing dead plumb. You could see that it's a little bit off. It's a little bit that way. Push it nice and straight. All that'll do is push this flue pipe through the thimble a little bit more. It's not connected to anything there. And it looks pretty good, but I'll get it dead plumb in this direction as well. Then I'm going to take this flat stock and figure out where to put my braces. On the front and back, I want to do short diagonals, kind of like that up there. And then on the side, I want to do long diagonals from just below the ceiling there to just above the furnace. Where I put those is going to depend on where the holes match up. They're not going to match up just anywhere, so I'll have to figure out where those match up, then cut this, round the edges a bit, and then get these installed. Then I'm going to go over every nut and bolt on the thing and make sure they're all tight. And that should do it. Oh, and put this side panel on. So let's get this scaffold out of the way. I'll show you my condensate. It was raining out yesterday, so water was going down through the flue in addition to the heater being on. So we have a bucket down here. That's how much water came through this. I'll be doing a video on a condensate drain that I'm going to hook up temporarily right here, but in the end I might put the condensate drain down here. No matter what, it's going to be hooked up going up and over to that hole right there, but where I put the trap, I'm not really sure on that yet. Alright, let's get going on this. right, that's it right there. 3 up and about 3.5 down. Well, let me see if I could do better. It's not exact. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I think that's gonna do it. All right. Okay, got everything marked. I just took this PVC cement can and made a little radius on there. I'll knock the corners off. I need my grinder with a cutoff wheel, which is all ready to go, and my gloves, which I keep here drying because I take the dogs for a walk a couple times a day and my gloves get all soaked. All right, let's go do this. And 10. All right, we just got to get these over to the machine shed, get them all cut. This time there's 4 pieces, but it should go fairly quick. that's going to do it. This thing is in there rock solid. There's a few more things that need to be done with the furnace kind of in general. One thing is sealing up the boot on the outside, but that definitely doesn't need to be done right now. I have to fill in this area right here. I'm going to put a ceramic blanket around the pipe, around the thimble there, and then fill the rest in with insulation. Then I got to get a wall around that pipe, so that'll be kind of interesting in itself. And what else? Just odds and ends, but none of it affect the operation of the furnace itself. I could turn this on right now if I wanted to, but no need to do that. The day is over. Oh, and I have to get this installed permanently, but obviously I'm going to have to work on this wall before that happens. So what am I going to be doing next? Oh, I know. I will be installing this indoor-outdoor thermometer hygrometer so I can tell the temperature and the humidity up in the attic area once I get everything closed up. I think that's going to be pretty interesting. I got to hook it up on a pulley system so that I can get at it. It's going to hang right in the middle right here, but once I have this whole thing insulated, there's no way to go in there and get the batteries or anything like that. So I'm going to have a pulley so I can pull it back and forth when needed. That should be pretty interesting. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.